In this video, I'll be comparing TickTick and Google Calendar to help you choose the better productivity tool for 2025. So which one is better? For Google Calendar, it is a widely used calendar app ideal for scheduling events, meetings, and appointments. It's especially powerful when integrated with Gmail and other Google Workspace tools, making it great for professionals and teams. However, it's not a dedicated task manager and lacks deeper features for habit tracking or focus techniques. On the other hand, TickTick offers both task and time management. You can create to-do lists, set deadlines, manage recurring tasks, and visualize everything in a built-in calendar. It also includes tools like Pomodoro Timer, habit tracking, and smart tags for advanced organization. If you only need to manage your events and meetings, Google Calendar is simple and effective. But if you want a hybrid of scheduling and productivity tools in one place, then TickTick is a more comprehensive solution for you. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.